Yeah. Comes a car. I think we can do it. You got it. Good job. Nora, you know what I forgot? What? Our water bottles. Oh no. How about you, Helena? Did you remember yours at least? Okay. You have yours? Yeah. Okay. So we turn left. I wonder if that's where I need to turn left. Oh. I'll find out. Okay, we're good, not yet. So on the way back, we can do that. Go around the hill that way back to the car. Where we go pretty much to the base of that mountain, and we can loop back, or we could keep going a little bit to the west of it if you wanted. Yeah. Yeah, I'll do a selfie thing. Cheese. Oh, we're not lined up right now. Here, I'll get through this. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay. Let's see. I'll see. There we go. Now you're staggered. Good. Good. Okay, how about you guys go in front of me? Yeah, go in front of me. Yeah, I will, but I'll get it from... Well, we'll have to make do with a part of the trail that I can't really see the lake from this spot. Okay. And feel free, yeah, you can go off on the grass. We don't want to get the nice sparkly bike all dirty. Yeah, if you go up there, I'll get a picture of you with the lake behind. Well, here, smile.
Get a picture of the landscape.
Okay, I will. How about you both come up?
I don't want to have to take off my gloves again.
I know, that's why I'm one-handed. I'm Michael Jackson right now. All right. 1, 2, 3, cheese. When I bought these gloves, they said, works with your phone. But, well, they have the little stitching. You can see that on the finger. It's supposed to be conductive thread, but I think we've washed it so many times, because it actually did work initially. But I think the conductivity part of it got washed out, because now it doesn't work anymore. What was the first touchscreen?
Yeah.
Well, it depends. Old phones like I had a Palm, no, it wasn't Palm Pilot, it was called Trio. It used a stylus, a little stick. And you used your little stylus on it